Ken Johnson here with you. We're watching out for the possibility of severe weather again on Thursday. There's been severe weather Wednesday night over across parts of the Gulf Coast states, and then as we head into Thursday, we're going to shift that west over into the Lone Star State and the Sooner State. And if we take a look, moisture is coming in from the Gulf of Mexico. That's warm, moist air. At the same time, we also have dry air and much cooler air coming in from the north and the west. And it's where that dry air, that dry, cooler air meets that warm, moist air that we're going to run into the chances for thunderstorms, especially by Thursday afternoon. Now, if we take a look, at least across parts of northwest Texas, it's going to be a close call in my viewing area. That would be Graham, Texas, Jacksboro, over towards Bowie, those areas. It's a close call. There could be some strong storms with maybe some hail, gusty winds over there, but I think the better threat for severe weather will develop over closer to the Metroplex and then across the eastern and northeastern part of Texas and southeastern Oklahoma. Places like Greenville, Sherman, Sulphur Springs, Canton, Dallas, Terrell, Forney, these areas need to be on high alert for severe weather tomorrow afternoon, and that will shift over into East Texas as well and the Arklatex tomorrow evening. High alert for damaging winds and perhaps some tornadic activity over that way. Over my way, I don't expect to see any of that. You can see the future tracker here shows those thunderstorms blowing up. Could be some in the morning, but the most significant stuff develops tomorrow afternoon. You can see here on this radar site here some big storms near Dallas between about 2 and 3 o'clock around the Metroplex. And you can see those supercells perhaps developing in the southeastern parts of Oklahoma and into western Arkansas by late tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Now, there's also a line of storms developing along the front as it shifts eastward quickly. And anywhere along that line, there could be some really strong wind gusts and embedded tornadic circulations within that. And in addition to that, there could also be some supercells across the eastern parts of Texas. And any of those supercells that can develop over this way may do so in what looks like a pretty favorable tornado environment. So this is showing the significant tornado parameters. It shows it mostly over near and east of Dallas into tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. So we're going to watch those areas closely for nasty weather. On the backside of that, there will be some rain around and maybe even some snowflakes mixing in across parts of Oklahoma and North Texas. But right now, the winter aspects of it does not look all that significant. So thanks for joining me here. Thanks for watching this. Remember to follow my Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok pages, and we'll be watching the situation closely on Thursday. Remember, heads up, especially east of I-35 Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening.